This is the guide. Let's go over the features. Start with our 2-inch strapping and our quiet ride technology paired with our elastic sewn into the back. It allows us to have this thing tight to the chest while not pinching, binding up on us. We also have the flexibility of the Tegris panel here, allowing you to adjust and customize the shell to however and wherever you want it to lay. Next, you got your shell here, which is very customizable for your optic, high size, threaded barrels, and light bearing. All 4 of those things. You have adjustable retention in the front, super easy. Now, those are the basic features of the guide, which make it stand out from everything else. Let's go over those individual features and how to adjust and customize this for you. Starting from the bottom, we've got our soft loop right here with a snap, super secure. You rock it from the bottom, locking it into place. This is where your belt comes through. Show you that in a little bit. Your adjustable retention for the fitment of your handgun, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, super easy. On the top here, you'll see this panel has many slots on it, and you have 2 screw holes here. It also comes with a 3rd screw-in post to adjust this however you want. As you can see, you can adjust it to your preference. On the back side, it's super simple. Hold the post or use a screwdriver, flathead, and a Phillips head on this side, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Place it how you want. On the sides, you have your 2-inch strapping, you get your tri-glides. You use the tri-glides to manipulate the strap, just like a backpack strap, to use and move the strap around to fit around your body to make sure it's nice and snug. Super simple. So now let's put it on and see how it fits. You're gonna take and throw your head and arm through this upper hole here. That places the strap down directly in front of it. You can also swap this back and forth and switch shoulders. Bring your strap around, get her connected. I've already got it sized up for me, but in order to size it up for yourself, you use the tri-glides, which I mentioned earlier. Now, it's sitting here, it's super secure, nice and tight. We're gonna take the soft loop, we're gonna loop it through our backpack strap, or in this case, my actual physical belt, rock it into place, get it readjusted. In this case, I'm going to slide the top down a little bit to get it to sit a little bit lower without pulling up on me. Bingo, she is secure. Now she's set, soft loops in place, gun, super easy to draw and manipulate. Bino bag right up the top. I'll go ahead and show you that. All right, we got our bino bag placed. The bino bag is directly to my chest as the design implicates, and then the guide is right down below it. 2 separate systems, so you can don one or the other, or put them all together, as you can see here. So bino bag out of the way, full access, super straightforward design. The guide plus accessories, let's go over the badass options that we have. First and foremost, you have your shell swap out. What's beautiful about the guide is you can use your recon system, which is what this is, to swap in and out of the guide system. If you have the recon system already, it's super simple. You'll just take and purchase the guide kit. It'll come with all these accessories needed to convert your recon shell to the guide system. Super easy, plug and play. Next, we have our hitchhiker, just like the recon. You can attach this guy any way you want on any of the strap systems, or locations I should say, in any orientation that you want. You have the panel back here allowing you to twist and move the hitchhiker however you need to. More information on that, go to the hitchhiker video. The blade lock system, super badass system. Use this to attach wherever you want on the system as well if you so desire. To finalize the guide, remember it carries the same warranty as everything else, has our VIP warranty, satisfaction is guaranteed, lifetime warranty. You can't go wrong with Invader Concepts. Thanks for stopping by.